Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Snapchat account. So first you just need to open your Snapchat application. After that you just need to go to your profile in the left corner with the profile icon, as you can see. Tap on it. Then you just need to tap on this gear icon, which is the settings in the right corner. And after that you just need to go down, and here you'll find the option called delete account. So just tap on delete account. Then you just need to choose a browser from here. So I'm going to use Chrome browser. After that, you may need to log in with your account in the browser. Just give your email or password or username to log in. And after that, you will find this option called delete account. So here again, you just need to enter your username and give the password. And if you just tap on continue, this will deactivate your Snapchat account for 30 days, as you can see. And after 30 days, if you don't log in with your account, it will be permanently deleted. As you can see, after 30 days your account will be deleted. So if you'd like to reactivate your account before that happens, just log into Snapchat, and that's it. This is how you can permanently delete your Snapchat account. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.